Hello! Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Gab's Vlog. Ngayong araw na ito ay pagdiriwan ng birthdays at Christmas. Pero ano kaya ang regalo? Subscribe na to my YouTube channel at narinig ko ba gusto ko mag-views sa subscribers. This is vlog 94 and episode 94 entitled 19 to 25. Here's your vlog. Come on. Ito na, magsisimula na natin. Let's start with, birthday last Saturday, December 19, turning 35 na. Ang handa sa birthday ay cake from Red Ribbon, spaghetti from Jollibee, and patitong chicken, and milk tea. Masarap. Kahit may pandemya na, kahit new normal na, tuloy ang birthday at kapulitan. With a surprises. Plus, handa sa kapal. Pero bakit di nabigay yung cake sa mga malam, yung ibang ako? Dahil, Jesus is greater than rest. Christmas and birthdays is important. Okay? At syempre pa maraming salamat po sa family ko, sa brothers and sisters ko, sa yung mommy sa daddy. Happy birthday to me and the ladies from other clients of Evento Marcelino. Now, today, sa ating pangpaskong handog. Ngayong Christmas season, like last night yung ginanap ng Christmas Eve at kakain ng Noche Buena. Merry Christmas! Noche Buena cake. Kasi kakain kayo ng cake, kakain ng milk tea, chicken, spaghetti, Noche Buena. Okay? From Tita Mau, birthday ko pabasko. Para hindi mo wala yun. Lalagay mo na to para hindi mo wala. Merry Christmas po and Happy New Year 2021. At sana po para wala na yung pandemya. Maraming salamat and hope we see you next year or another Christmas day. And next time naman ay para sa New Year's Day at Medianoche sa next vlog or else. Now, maraming salamat and Merry Christmas from your favorite came from the Philippines. Happy New Year next week. Oras na para sa ating Gabby's Mansion Quarantine Edition. Happy birthday belated to Kara Ibasco. Happy birthday and Angelia On. Sana mamita po after quarantine. And of course, Jessica Marsigan, Kipper Rabena, and my Loli Cedric Impahardo. Na oras na ating pa-shoutout naman! Ang sanggol na hari! Sir Deloro and Sir De Guzman from La Consolacion College Professor po, and to all the teachers of Young Achievers Kulong Caloocan, and to my schoolmates and classmates of Young Achievers. Thank you. Sana gusto mamita po next time. And also, Merry Christmas! And see you next vlog on Gabby's Vlog. Bye!
This is brought to you by Ed Valenzuela.